Cary RES2, Western Wake P196, EMS 14, MVC, at I-40 westbound and North Harrison Avenue, at I-40 westbound and North Harrison Avenue, at exit 287 Harrison Avenue, on channel TAC 35, map 47 Queen.
Rescue 2's on 30.
Battalion 2's en route.
Engine 1 around on 35.
All units en route on TAC 35. We've got numerous calls in reference to this. It's going to be a head-on collision between two vehicles. One was going the wrong way. Unknown number of patients. Consciousness and status unknown at this time. No chemicals or hazards are involved. No further was given by the caller. 29 Bravo 5.
Engine 1. Cary from Battalion 2 on 35.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Can you advise, is this going to be on 40 or Harrison, and if possible, east or westbound on 40?
10-4, it is going to be on 40 westbound. The vehicle that was going the wrong way was going eastbound in the westbound lanes. We do have a Cary police officer out there.
Okay, thank you.
A unit's en route to Harrison I-40. The officer on scene does say that one patient is pinned inside the vehicle.
Engine 1 Dolly, can you need an exact location, Cary?
10-4, if you get on 40 westbound from Harrison, you guys should run right at him. He's down, it looks like, at the end ramp.
Copy. Cary, Engine 1 on scene. I got two passenger vehicles. I got one with heavy front end damage. Ladder 1, I needed to come in front of us. It looks like that's going to be the one with the extrication in front of the PD car. 1-8.5 command.
Ladder 1 copy. We'll take your block right here, Chip, and bring our tools up.
Cary.
1's on scene.
10-4.
11's on 35.
All right, Ladder 1, I need you to start extrication on this vehicle right in front of Engine 1. Ladder 1 copy. Command to Cary.
Yes, sir. Go ahead for Cary.
Command to Cary on TAC 35.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
I'm going to need a total of 3 ALS units. I'm going to have 3 traumas as of right now.
Copy that. 3 ALS units for 3 traumas.
Copy. You might want to start a 4th here. I can't tell how many people I have in no other vehicle that we have extrication in until we start extrication.
Copy that. We'll get 4.
Rescue 2's
Rescue 2, come up here in front of the PD car and assist with extrication on this one. We're trying to determine if we have an F rank or not.
Rescue 2 copy.
196 is just behind Rescue 2, and EMS 44 is not far behind. Crossing under Harrison at this time.
All right, first EMS unit, I need you to come up and get the one that's not extrication involved. I have 2 traumas on the ground. If you can start there while we try to determine if we have an F. Command to Western Wake.
Go ahead.
Your location.
We're right behind the rescue truck. What you need, brother?
All right, I need you to come up front and work on this other vehicle. Try to see what we got going on up here with this one. If you can take care of this SUV, and we'll work on the entrapment vehicle. I got 2 on the ground. If you can assist my guy with patient care as well.
Command from District 3.
Go ahead for command.
Hey, I know you're busy. I know you said you got 2 traumas on the ground. Are they awake and talking to you?
Yes, those 2 are. We're trying to determine. We've got to get the door open to see if we have an F rank in the other one. But yes, the 2 are conscious and alert, but due to the mechanism, we'll have traumas on them.
Copy that. Good call. Thank you.
Mr. Wake, if you can work on that EMS, go up there. Those 2 on the ground right there will be our first ones while we try to get into the access of this one.
48 on 35.
Go ahead for command. Cary, if you could also advise SHP, we had the highway shut down at this time, westbound.
Copy that.
Command from Battalion 1. ZMS 14. We have 1 F rank. I believe 2 trauma patients at this time.
Command to Cary.
Yep.
All right, you get 1 F rank after getting the door open. Advise SHP same.
10-4, sir.
Command from Battalion 1.
Go ahead for command.
Chip, headed with Engine 9 to report of a car fire at Wake 40. Should I divert to you? You need additional resources?
I'm good with resources here as far as fire goes.
Copy.
Battalion 2's on scene.
Battalion 2 be assuming I-40 westbound command.
Go ahead, 78, 35.
Calling Cary on 35.
Negative, I think someone's called me on dispatch.
Hey, 91's unseen. Got medical.
Chief 200 from EMS 78, attack 35.
Cary from I-40 command.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
We have one medic unit on scene. We need one additional. That's all we need. One additional to the one we have on scene.
Copy that. One additional medical unit to what you have on scene.
Chief 200, 3 attack 35. I want to keep our funds going until we clear the scene.
Copy that.
200 from EMS 78.
Go ahead.
Wake requests if you have any information on mechanism.
High velocity MEC, 3 patients, 1 patient confirmed. Help Frank at this time.
Copy.
President, go ahead and mark Chief 200 in District 3, arriving on scene.
11's on scene.
District 3, careful.
Chief 200, Cary attack 35.
Go ahead, sir.
If you would, give a call to Wake Mail, let them know that EMS 14 and EMS 11 are bringing in the 2 traumas at this time. They'll give updates on the way.
Copy that, sir.
Hey, all right. When I talked to you, or Wake Med a while ago, that's the 2 units that told them would be primarily bringing the traumas in, so they're already aware.
Okay, thank you, Al. EMS 14. EMS 14, TAC 35.
Fire command from Cary on TAC 35. You've reached benchmark. Fire command from Cary on 35. You've reached additional benchmark.
Copy. Thank you, Cary. Cary from I-40 command.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Please benchmark beginning extrication.
10-4. Fire command from Cary on TAC 35. You've reached your hour benchmark.
Command, please.
Command from Cary on 35. You've reached additional benchmark.
Command, copy. Cary from I-40 command. Cary from I-40 command on 35.
Go ahead.
Benchmark extrication complete, please.
Copy that, sir.
Raleigh to Harrison Command. Can you advise, is I-40 still shut down at your location?
Yes, sir, it is.
Copy, thank you.